This video will help you to do the homework for the Speech Sound Awareness Pack K and G. This time, Mr. Big Mouth had a big camera. And when he clicked the button on the camera, it made a special sound. And to make that sound, we open our mouth really wide. Can you open up really wide? And then we make a sound right at the back. Listen. Brilliant. Can you do it again for me? And then this time, yeah, good girl. Then this time, Mr. Big Mouth got another camera. But this one was a very old, very noisy camera. And it went like this. Go. Can you do that one?
Go.
Oh, do it again for me.
Go.
Brilliant. Well done.
This story is called Good Girl Katie. This is Katie. Katie has been a very good girl. Katie gets a kiss from her mummy. Katie gets a cuddle from her granddad. Katie gets a cake from her daddy. Katie gets a kite from her brother Gary. Katie gets a kitten from Karen. Katie gets a coat from Carol. Katie gets a guitar from Grant. And they all go into the garden together to play. Try to practice a few times a week. The more practice they have, the easier it will be for them. Remember to make it fun.